Hey everyone, so if your Gmail is not updating, emails are missing, or messages are not showing in real time, yeah, that's usually a sync problem. I'll show you step by step how to fix Gmail sync issues. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, refresh your Gmail app or reload the browser page. If you're on mobile, go to Settings and make sure Gmail sync is turned on. If that doesn't work, remove your Google account and add it again. Now, clear Gmail cache to remove any corrupted temporary data. Next, check your Google storage because full storage can stop syncing. Make sure your Gmail app or browser is updated. Turn off battery saver or data saver because they can block syncing. And finally, restart your device. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Gmail sync problems and keep your emails updating properly.